I'm Smita Mehta. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Wouldn't it be wonderful if we had a power to know that how our day is going to unfold? Well, there is a practice that you can do even before you get up from the bed to improve upon your day. It's known as the power of visualizations. And this technique is widely used by a lot of people in various fields to improve upon their performances because by doing visualization, it helps them to remain focused and it gives them a confidence and reduces the stress. So you want to try it? It's very simple. All you have to do is visualize. When you get up in the morning, sit in the bed with your eyes closed for a few minutes and visualize your whole scheduled day. And also talk to yourself either mentally or loudly about the goal that you need to accomplish that day. And in case you have any meeting that you are anxious or nervous about, visualize yourself walking to that meeting full of confidence and doing it amazingly well. You end this visualization on a happy note, feeling very happy and satisfied at the end of the day. Very simple, isn't it? Just try.